Hey guys, if you run an e-commerce store or you're shipping out physical products, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can integrate ShipStation directly with HighLevel. Now there are some benefits in doing so. This allows for automatic syncing, live carrier rates, discounted shipping, centralized fulfillment, and branded notifications. So let me show you how to integrate ShipStation so you can get started. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and be on the sub-account level. Go ahead and scroll all the way down to settings. Once you've scrolled down to settings, you're just going to go ahead and select integrations. Now you can see that I actually have ShipStation here and I can click view app. Additionally, you can also go to the marketplace, go to app marketplace on the main sub-account level. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to see a variety of apps available. You want to search for that app. So we're going to go ahead and enter ShipStation. And then you can see that this will pop up. We'll go ahead and select that and install this app directly into our system. At the bottom, you're going to see allow and install. So go ahead and select that. Now you'll see that I've been authenticated and everything is successful. So you're going to see an option here that says agency view. It'll ask you to enter your API key and your API secret key. You're going to get this directly from ShipStation. So go ahead and grab that and enter that information. Okay, so once you've entered your API key as well as your API secret key, which you would obtain from your ShipStation account, you'll see an option on the menu for API. Go ahead and follow the instructions there. Then you're going to go through the setup checklist. Go ahead and select that you've added at least one ship from location in the ShipStation settings, as well as you've enabled the package option for active carriers, and you've ensured that the platform and ShipStation account currencies match. Then you'll go ahead and select connect. So when you're in ShipStation on the left-hand side, you'll see ship from locations. Go ahead and add your new location. You can name that location what you'd like to name it. Go ahead and add your address, your mailing address, phone number, email, time zone, and any other information that it requests, and then you can save that. So the next thing that you're going to want to do on the left-hand side is go ahead and select shipping and then packages. Once you select packages, as mentioned, you're going to want to go ahead and select the actual package types for the various carriers that you plan to use. Go ahead and select those and you can save your changes. If you need to go ahead and make custom packages, you can do that as well. And if you need package sets, you can also do that. So that's where you'd go ahead and make sure that your packages are all set and ready to go. So once you've completed the checklist, which I showed you how to do, again, the last thing is just to make sure that your currencies match, go ahead and select connect. Now you have integrated ShipStation directly with HighLevel. So here you can also add your shipping options. Go ahead and name your shipping options, and you want to go ahead and select the services that you plan to use. And then you can actually have a fallback value as well. Now, the fallback value is used when live shipping rates can't be retrieved from the selected services. So make sure that you're putting in an amount that's going to actually compensate you for the fee that you're going to have to pay the post office or FedEx or whatever carrier you plan to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select $14 in this case, and I'll go ahead and create that. So now I have that as my backup. So that's the other thing that you're going to want to do. So if you have other shipping options that you'll be offering your clients or your customers, go ahead and enter that information as well. Then you're going to want to go ahead and select those options here from the drop-down box. And again, put your fallback value because you want to make sure that you have enough to cover what that fee would be in the event that that's needed, and you can create that. So just go ahead and add all of your shipping options that you plan to offer to your customers. Okay, so the last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and test your workflow and make sure that ShipStation is truly integrated correctly with your HighLevel store. So go ahead and select the product that you want to purchase and add to cart. Once you've added that to cart, you can view the cart and go ahead and check out. So once you check out, you will see the products that you want to purchase on the right-hand side, and then you'll see your contact information. You're going to have to go ahead and add contact details in order for your shipping rates to show. So enter all of your information, and once you've entered that information, now you're going to see the shipping methods that your customer can choose from. So remember, we created those shipping options within HighLevel. So if you need to add more, go back and add them. but you can see that I had the USPS option and I had a FedEx option, and then it has the rates based on the customer's location, and then they can just go ahead and enter their information and check out. Go ahead and integrate ShipStation today so that you can have seamless fulfillment for your e-commerce store and any physical products that you might be shipping out to your customers.